Hello, how's everybody doing? I am going to do something a little bit different today. I got my wife a bike computer, so I'm going to do a little unboxing of that, and I think the box is super funny. And I'm going to install on her e-bike. She's been wanting to know how fast she's going because she's so freaking fast. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this. I think I'm just gonna do one take because I do it like that. So this is pretty funny. It is called a good bike computer. So I just love the graphic. I love that it just says it is a good bike computer. Boom. Material plastic. Very generic. It is one of the cheapest ones that you can get on Amazon. It was like 16 bucks. Here, I'm gonna cut and try to get some sort of thing to set you on. Boom. Okay. Never done this. Guess we're unboxing. It might be upside down. I don't know. Boom. Once again, love this box. Good job. Alright, what do we have here? I believe this is supposed to be wireless. So this is probably some sort of sensor. I'm probably going to have to read the instructions. A battery. Oh, look at that, like 3 batteries. This is the sensor for the spoke, I'm going to say. Ba-boom. Just some zip ties. This will be what this clips on, and this will clip on the handlebar, or strap on the handlebar somehow. Boom. And it can probably just go like that. Shaboom. Sticky stuff, double-sided tape. Alright. Okay, we are in the garage. This is Mrs. J-Man's sweet Electra bicycle. We are going to be putting this speedometer on. She still has her little thing on there. Let's just do a little quick look here. If that's clipped on like so, and it just sits right there, I think that's going to be about as good as you can possibly get. Just push that. It says 1:44 now. That's about what time it is. Might as well crank the power on this thing. Bam. Up, up, up. Obviously want 3 power bars. Okay. We got speedometer. Boom. Let's see, I'm actually gonna pull over to start this test. test is going to be, I'm going to start a Strava. I'm going to delete this because it doesn't count as a ride. I'm going to compare the speed. Oh. So we got saying 10 on the bike, 9.4. My watch stopped telling me 9.6. This is 14. Sweet. I think this is pretty accurate. Rip around the neighborhood on the e-bike. Shiblu. I used to be such a hater of e-bikes, but I mean, they're pretty fun. If they can get people riding bikes, I'm all about it, man. Let's see, this says 13, 12, this is 12. I think this is pretty accurate. Let's see if I push buttons while we do this. Distance 0.3, well, I didn't start it right at the same time, but I mean, my 0.3 now. So I bet that's fairly accurate. What else we got? Max speed 15.8, ripping. Average speed 10.3. Time 2 minutes. 87 degrees Fahrenheit. It is not 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, let's go for an awesome max speed on this round. Oh, 21, 22.5, 23. I think that's gonna be all I got. Sweet. Oh, there it is, max speed 23.1. She has a dope bell. I'm jealous of that bell. Alright, I think we've had a success here, people. Boom, boom. Alright, well, I guess I'll add my ride later to this same video. Do I do 2 videos in one day? Is that crazy? Is this a whole series? I don't know, man. Go out, ride your bike, like, subscribe, YouTube stuff. Hello. I'm in a bit of a weird mood today, but since we did that, we installed the speedometer on Mrs. J-Man's e-bike. I thought I would pull down her analog bike and get it all dusted off. Look at this. There's sawdust on this post. Oof. Just dusty everywhere. This basket's actually broken. I tried to repair it. That came from a Mrs. J-Man crash, which I shouldn't laugh, but it was pretty funny. So I just want to give this bike some love. I'm going to raise the seat, and I just noticed we do have a cup holder on this bad boy. So maybe I'll just do a mile booze cruise here in a little bit once I get it down and pumped up and lubed up and all that stuff. Okay. Step one, we are going to remove this basket. Notice I tried to JB weld it, but that did not work. It was a cool basket where you could remove it and use it as like a little shopping basket, but it is no longer. So step one, removing that. Alright, next step, let's just pump up the tires. If you look right here, upside down, it says min 30, max 50. Always double check. Bingo. Bingo. I'm just gonna get a wet towel and wipe, just a damp towel, and wipe this bad boy down. Show me your bells. Alright. Alright, I'm calling that pretty good for now. I'm going to get some lube on it. Alright, before we change the seat, we're just going to give her a test. Oh, this bike is sick. Alright, now I'm going to mess with the seat. So, I just lifted up, and since I think I'm going to have this seat post about as high as possible, I wanted to know what the minimum the seat post should be down in the down tube. And what I saw was it should be at least 2.5 times the diameter of the seat post. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure the seat post. It's probably something standard, I just don't know what it is. And then 2.5 times, I'm going to put a little mark on it with a marker here. So. Alright. Now, let's give it a test. This might be too tall for me now. Oh, baby. It's honestly probably just slightly too tall, so I'm going to lower it just a skosh. Another quick test. I think that's it. Probably be a little lower, but it's such a casual bike. I like it. Alright, shit's great. I think we're in business. Alright, here she is. I don't even know if Mrs. J-Man has named this beauty. It is a Norco. I definitely want to now get a black seat post. Now that I have it raised up like that, I may take over this bike. But finally, we're gonna go get on our bike ride. I have procured a road soda. Mrs. J-Man is here. We may have to see if she wants to come on a little booze cruise. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so Mrs. J-Man didn't want to go on a ride right now, but I'm just gonna go do a quick little booze cruise. Of course, the sun's going behind a cloud. It's getting windy as hell, but I'm gonna go enjoy myself. Let's just do it. Booze cruise for at least a mile. Outdoor ride. Here we go. Oh, already spieling. All right. Oh, that wind. They decided to do a booze cruise today. Oh, I didn't even put any lights on this bike. Whatever. We're just cruising, man. Car. Friday afternoon booze cruise. Woo! Oh man. Oh, this wind is brutal. We'll just go up here and then we'll go into the park. $4.20. Hey, bud. Don't wear a big shirt. Look in the cute. Let's cruise down here, I think. Straight up cruising, man. Loving it. Friday afternoon. Oh boy. Any road bumps really make you drink spill. Oh, attack dog. Yeah, it seems like the shifting's off just a little bit on this. Hello. Hello. Alright, well, I still have some beer left, so we gotta keep going. Let's go. Let's go through here. I don't think I live in this neighborhood. On a bike ride with you guys. If I were to stay in Vegas, this is just kind of like one step up from my neighborhood. Basically, everybody has 3-car garages, and I'm so jealous. Like, that front yard's cool. This house, like at night, is like has great outdoor lighting. That place is dope, actually. This is great. It's such a different way to enjoy biking. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not looking to burn calories. I'm looking to enjoy myself. Drink a brew. A little brew pop. I guess I could take this bike into the water drainage. Alright, I'm gonna do a classic Royce Audry Hepburn. So what I do is I have a random number generator app on my phone, and so I say, odds are I'll take the bike down there. Odds are lucky 13. Alright. Is it the brew pop talking? Or are we just looking for good content, people? Or is it a little bit of both? Oh, we got a Jeep. Oh, they're coming this way. No turn signal, obviously. Thanks a lot, pal. Oh, man. GB American man. Well, not really right now. But hopefully we can find our way back. Try to stay out of that kind of talk on this channel. About to say it'd be lovely to make this light, but it doesn't seem like I'm going to. Great bell on this thing, though. That's what they should do at the bike prom. Whoever the loveliest lady and loveliest gentleman are, the bell of the ball, and they win a bike bell. I think that'd be kind of fun. Alright. None of those people look like police officers. Let's do it. Oh man, not being on a mountain bike makes this way more sketchy. I'm spilling so much beer. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna cruise it. Ah. Get rid of the rest of this root pop. I don't even know if I want it with this bike. Oh man. It is darker than it was last time. Alright. That I want to jump on the mountain bike. Oh my god, we are ripping now, baby. I feel like if I go up right here, oh man, I am pending. Oh. It's like asking me to jump off of it. Oh yeah. get an action fish out of this one. I am just smiling. We need to name this bike. That was so much fun. Alright, I'm just gonna cruise on home, man. Oh, that was good. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and say that was awesome. Can't wait to hit that next section, that lower section. Well, I don't know. I kind of want to mountain bike tomorrow. Guess I can do both. Yeah, I don't know why. That totally gave me Mario Bros. Vibes today. 2.15 miles. Oh, I feel like there's a bug on my head. Oh. I'm definitely taking the boys back to do that. They need a little adventure in their lives. Maybe I should take Hercules down there. Now you're getting crazy. Okay. What do I gotta do here? Car coming. Going. Pop, pop, pop. What's up, guys? Dude, I just did the canal on this bike. Oh. All right. All right. As weird of a mood as I've been in, that just brightened my whole outlook, man. I hope you are all doing great out there. Definitely riding bikes helps. So get out, ride your bike, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Send good thoughts out for my mother, because she's still going through some stuff right now. I think that's kind of why I've been in a little bit of a funky mood. But yeah, go out, ride your bike. Boom.